This is a brand new 2013 Ford Expedition. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 5.4-liter V8, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, power-adjustable driver pedals, a sunroof, a cooled driver's seat, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a premium audio system, big 18-inch wheels, cruise control, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, air conditioning, and XM satellite radio, which streams commercial-free music, news, sports, and more. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Hoblit Motors is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 5th and 6th on Main Street in Colusa.